Hello everybody, I hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to Bujumbura English Center. Today's lesson is about personal information questions. You're going to learn how to ask personal information questions and how you can answer to those questions. Tugomba twige ingene tubaza ibibazo vy'umwidondoro n'ingene twishura kuri ivyo bibazo. I'm Joachim from Bujumbura English Center and this is
Ghanaian.
Gallian is one of my students, and today she's going to help me teach you this lesson about personal information questions. Are you ready? Let's get started. What's your name?
My name is Ghanaian Nimpo.
What's your first name?
What do you mean by first name?
By first name, I mean prénom in French. Prénom. So, what's your first name?
Okay, my first name is Ghanaian.
Okay. Her first name is Gallian. And my first name is Joachim. What's your first name? What's your last name?
My last name is Muri.
Yeah, your last name is Nyukuri. Her last name is Nyukuri. And my last name is Hakizimana. What's your last name? What's your surname?
My surname. What do you mean by surname?
By surname, I mean last name. Surname and last name are the same thing. So, what's your surname?
My surname is Nyukuri.
Alright, her surname is Nyukuri. In the American English, we say last name, but in the British English, we say surname. So, my last name or my surname is Hakizimana. So, what's your last name? What's your surname? What's your first name? Where are you from?
I'm from Burundi.
Where in Burundi are you from?
I'm from Gitega.
Alright. She's from Gitega. She's from Burundi, Gitega. Ava Burundi, Gitega. So, to ask about the origin of somebody, we say, where are you from? Where are you from? Nawe akatwishura ati, I'm from Sashira Kuchibanza. How old are you?
I'm 21.
Yeah, she is 21. Yeah, here I said, how old are you to ask about her age. When nashaka kubaza imyaka yiwe, ndavuga ngo, how old are you? And she says, I'm gacashirako igiharuro cyerekana imyaka. I'm 21. I'm 20. I'm 30.
How old are you?
I'm 30. I'm 30 years old. So I can say I'm 30 or I'm 30 years old. Shora kuvuga ni I'm 30. Changi now havuga I'm 30 years old. Hongerako akajambo years old. How old are you? What's your job?
I'm an actress.
Alright. She is an actress. So here I'm asking about the job. Kundabaza kazi akora. So I say, what's your job? Ukoriki. She says, I'm an actress.
What's your job?
I'm an English teacher. What's your job? Nawe ukoriki. What's your job? So, Gallian, help me to explain these different kinds of job. A businessman.
Homme d'affaires, umugabo yikorera utwiwe.
A businesswoman.
Femme d'affaires, umugore yikorera utwiwe.
A waiter.
Serveur,
A waitress.
serveuse.
A nurse.
Infirmière, umuganga mutoya.
A pilot.
Pilote, utwara indege.
An accountant.
Comptable,
A student.
étudiant, umunyeshuri. What's your phone number?
My phone number is 68630303. My phone number is 68630303. or 3. Aha, ndiko ndavuga nimero za telefone, mvuga igiharuro kimwe kimwe. 68, not 68. 63, not 63. Yeah. Do you have a friend?
Yes, I do.
A boy or a girl?
A boy.
What's his name?
His name is Aryan.
Alright. Her friend's name is Aryan. Actually, to ask for somebody else's name, you say, what's his? Or what's her? What's his name? What's her name? Aha, ndiko ndamubaza kubijyanye n'undi muntu. Sindiko ndamubaza izina ryiwe, ndiko ndamubaza izina ry'umugenzi wiwe. Aha ntankoresha his ku muhungu na her ku mukobwa. That's why I said, what's his name?
His name is Aryan.
Where is he from?
He's from India.
Now, to ask about the origin of somebody else, we say, where is he from? And kondamubaza wa mugenzi wiwe ahava, where is he from? Mugabo uribuka yuko ndiko ndamubaza ibimwerekeye mvuga ngo where are you from? Where are you from? Ariko namubaza kundi muntu nkavuga ngo where is he from? Mu gihe ari umuhungu ari umukobwa nkavuga where is she from? So, where is he from?
He's from India.
What's his job?
He is a film director.
Alright. Here, I'm asking about the job. Ndikunda mubaza wa mugenzi wiwe akaza kora. What's his job? Nakoresha his ku muhungu, her ku mukobwa. What's his job? Yaba umukobwa nakuvuga ni what's her job? Akora iki? So, what's his job?
He is a film director.
How old is he?
He is 28.
Alright, here I'm asking about the age. Ndikunda mubaza imyaka fisi wa mugenzi wiwe. How old is he? How old is he?
He is 28.
He's 28.
Do you have a friend?
Yes, I do.
A girl or a boy?
A girl.
What's her name?
Her name is Kadi.
Where is she from?
She's from Bujumbura.
How old is she?
She's 25. She's 25 years old.
Wow. What's her job?
She is a nurse. Do you have a friend? Can you describe that friend by telling us their personal information? I have a friend. Her name is Kadi. She's from Bujumbura. She's 25 years old and she is a nurse.
I have a friend. His name is Aryan. He's from India. He's 20 years old. He's a film director.
If you think this video is helping you, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new on this channel. Kabone video igufashije ntibagire kugira like na subscribe shanki sabone ni mushasha. That's it for today's lesson about personal information, questions and answers. Thank you very much for your attention. Until next time. Bye bye.
See you soon.